bought this light from Amazon. I think it was like 17 bucks. Anyways, the Bahuun, whatever. So you attach it to your vacuum like this. And I was thinking, what's all the fuss, you know? But anyway, so on the floor right here, you can see it looks pretty clean. But, watch this. Hang on, let me just leave it down here. I didn't really have to turn the vacuum on, but the point is, look at that.
On today's episode of So You Thought Your Floor Was Clean, check this out. This is with a regular light, and then I will show you what it looks like with the vacuum cleaner illuminator light. Okay, I have shut the light off. I'm going to turn the illuminator light on with my stick vac. Look at that. Check it out. It even lit up a footprint right there. So this is the reason that I also stick it on my steam mop. This so that it lights up all the places that I not only need to vacuum, but do some extra cleaning. So I'm calling this my I Missed a Spotlight. 5 stars.
This rechargeable light for your vacuum makes it very easy to see crumbs or anything on the floor, so you can easily vacuum the floor without missing any of the dust. As you can see, it's hard to see the particles on the floor without the light on. Now let me turn the light on, and the light has 3 settings for brightness. It's rechargeable. Look at the difference.
So you'll see that there's 3 adjustable brightness modes. Level 1, level 2, and level 3. In this case, instead of my Dyson, which already has the light attached on this side here, we're gonna stick it onto my vacuum here, wet mop.
This is how well this light works. I just mopped yesterday, but my husband and grandchildren have been in the house, so obviously they brought dirt back in. I love how I can see it to get it vacuumed back up.
So I vacuum weekly. We just bought this green light. As you can see, works better than you could ever imagine and shows you all the things you should be cleaning all along.